Hello friends, welcome to my channel Know More. Today's topic is 10 lines on unity. Unity denotes the state of being together for some reason or cause. It gives us the courage to fight injustice. People who learn the importance of staying united and follows it live a happy and content life. It brings success and happiness. It has a great value in all walks of life. When people understand the true meaning of unity, they can withstand any situation. Our strength lies in staying united. The importance of unity has been stressed upon by various proverbs. Some of them includes unity is strength, united we stand, divided we fall, etc. If we understand and implement these proverbs in our life, then we will do so much better in our life. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.